Hello, welcome to today's educational video tutorial on how to transfer crypto from Binance to your cold hardware wallet, specifically the Tangem wallet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to move crypto from Binance to your Tangem wallet. If you're new to the world of crypto and you want a simple and secure way to store your digital asset within minutes, the Tangem wallet is your best choice. Also, this crypto hardware wallet is very affordable and it comes in a pack of 2 or 3 cards depending on your preference. If you want to check out the Tangem wallet, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to access the official and correct website for the manufacturer. And don't forget to use my discount code BLOOMING for 10% off your order. Now, let's jump straight up into today's tutorial, how to transfer crypto from Binance to your cold hardware wallet. First, I'm going to be demonstrating this on my phone, so go ahead and log into your Binance wallet. So, step 1, log into Binance. Once you're logged into Binance on your home page, you're going to go under wallets. So under wallet, this is going to show you all the list of coins that you have. If you go under the overview tab, this is going to show you your total balance. But if you go under spot, this is right at the top. If you go under spot, this is going to show a list of all the coins that you currently have. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer BNB to your Tangem wallet. You can also follow this same step if you were transferring, let's say, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Cardano, any coin whatsoever. You can technically follow the same logic, okay? So today I'm just going to be using BNB as an example on how to transfer crypto from Binance to your Tangem wallet just within minutes. So once you're under the spot tab, this is going to show you the list of your coins and tokens that you have. So for today, I'm going to be transferring BNB. So I'm going to click on BNB on my Binance app. And here we have the option right at the bottom to either withdraw or deposit. We're going to be withdrawing BNB from this. So step 2, we need to get our wallet address from Tangem. So go ahead and log into your Tangem wallet app. So this is my Tangem wallet and now I'm logged in. This particular one, I'm using the 2 cards Tangem wallet. So you're going to click on manage tokens. So we want to transfer BNB. So you're going to search for BNB. So select this. We have the option for BNB Smart Chain and also the Beacon Chain. You can highlight both and just save changes. So now I received a prompt on my Tangem wallet that I need to scan my primary card of operation. Okay, so usually the Tangem wallet comes in either 2 or 3 packs. So I'm going to scan my primary card. You can see the demonstration on the phone already. You're going to place the card, that's the Tangem card, right behind your phone, just the way that it's been displayed. So I'm going to do that. And now this is done. It's literally within seconds, right? I'm going to be transferring BNB from Binance to my Tangem wallet. So for me to do that, I'm going to click on BNB Smart Chain. I'm going to click on it. Now, my wallet address is displayed. Okay, and here it says send only BNB Smart Chain from BNB Smart Chain network to this address. Okay, I'm going to copy this. You can see the copy option, so click on it to copy this address. Then I'm going to go back into my Binance wallet and I'm going to click on withdraw. So I want to send this via a crypto network. Okay, so I'm going to click the first option because I already copied the address from my Tangem wallet. So I'm going to click on that. So once I click on that, then the first step, address invoice, I'm going to paste the address that I just copied in here. So because this is the first time that I'm doing this, I'm going to click on add new address. So I'm going to paste the address in here. I'm going to select the network, that's BEP20. The origin, I'm going to select that this is from a wallet, okay? So wallet, I'm going to select the platform. So this is for Tangem wallet. So I'm going to scroll down, click on others, and I'm going to click on confirm. I'm going to enter the name. So Tangem, or you can just say Tangem wallet. Click on confirm. Here it says wallet label. So that's if you want to label this wallet, but I really don't need to. Or you can label it BNB Tangem wallet, whichever one you're comfortable with. Then I'm going to click on save. This is going to whitelist this address. I'm going to click on save. So it needs to authenticate this. So I'm going to get the code on my phone, an email, and also on the authenticator. So I'm going to click on send code. Again, I'm going to send the code to my email. So I'm going to put the code 581052. Then the authenticator, that's the Google authenticator. So submit. So the address has been added already. So now I'm going to paste the address here. Here, I can select it. Now I want to withdraw everything in my wallet. I'm going to click on max. I want to transfer all of the BNB in my Binance wallet to Tangem, so maximum. Then for my spot wallet, so next I'm going to click on withdraw. You can see the amount that we're going to receive right at the lower bottom. So I'm going to click on withdraw. So now it just shows me the details of the transaction. I'm going to click on confirm. Now I need to authenticate this. So I'm also going to get the code from my email. So here it says withdrawal processing. So I'm going to give it a few minutes for this to get into my Tangem wallet. Usually once the transfer has gone through, you're going to receive a notification in your email. And as I said earlier, you can follow the same process for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Polygon, any coin or token of your choice. It follows the same logic, and you can literally do this within minutes. You can do all of this right on your phone. So again, log into Binance, you move the coin, and you can just move it to Tangem. Tangem is one of the best crypto hardware wallet, and it's very easy to use. The fact that it's even shaped like a debit card, that means that you can easily carry it around anywhere that you're going, which makes transferring or even moving crypto very, very easy. So I'm just going to wait for this transaction to go through. I think so. I just received a notification, withdrawal successful. It was less than a minute. So I'm going to go back into my Tangem wallet. We can see that the BNB that we just sent from Binance is now in my Tangem wallet. So that was really, really, really easy and very, very fast. You can see it on the BNB Smart Chain. You can see the BNB that we just transferred. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I'm Blooming Morin, your trusted money coach.